Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start the Unit 3, and also we have discussed that Unit 2 over here. We have seen some of the important problems with the K-map problems also we have done over here. Now we'll start with logic gates. So logic gates. So what exactly the logic gates is saying that? So logic gate, it is nothing but a simple electronic circuit which operates on one or more signals which always produce only an output signals. Gate is an electronic circuit which operates on one or more inputs, that is one or more signals which produce always one output over here. That is nothing but n number of inputs ittandre only one output matra display agutte. Ee logic gates andre artha ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ, what exactly the logic gate is saying that? The logic gate is saying that it is an electronic circuit which takes one or more signals and then it will produce only one output signals is called as a logic gate, we need to say here. But let us see that what exactly the gate is saying is, the gate are two types. Gates ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ? Two types ಇದಾವೆ. One is basic gate, another one is a derived gate. So total number of gate is 2, and which is the gates are two types, basic gates and derived gates. And let us see that one by one. The basic gates are NOT, OR and so total number of gates are, basic gates are NOT, OR and gate. So these are the three types of basic gates are available in the logic gates. And next, second one, we have derived gate. Derived gate is NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, which is also called as exclusive OR gate, XNOR gate, exclusive NOR gate, we need to say here. So be careful. What is logic gate? The gate which is an electronic circuit which takes one or more signals which produce only one signal is called as a logic gate. Where logic gates having a two types. One is a basic gates and the second one is a derived gates. In basic gates again it differentiated into three types. That is three types: NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. And derived gate has been differentiated into four types: NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. That is exclusive OR gate, XNOR gate. So these are they are differentiated in different types over here. Let us start with the basic gates first. So basic gates having first one NOT gate. So NOT gate is nothing but it is also called as a inverter gate. Inverter gate with one input signal and one output signal is called as NOT gate. Is nothing but input should not be same with output signals. That is called as a NOT gate, we need to say here. So here we have X here, but it is getting as a X complement, and we are getting X complement. If it is X is input is a low, then high is a X complement. If input is high, then output is a low. In the same way here also, if input is a 0, the output is a 1. Input is a 1, then output is a 0. The input should not be same as a output. That is called as a NOT gate, we need to say here. So the logical diagram is shown as this is logical diagram with 0 inverter gate over here. This is called as NOT gate. Next, OR gate, second one. The gate having one or more input but which produce only one output signal is called as OR gate. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು OR gate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. OR gate ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಗೆ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಗೆ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ x y f x plus y. If 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, if 0 into 0 0 0 into 1, that is 1 1 into 0 1 1 into 1 1. This is for 2 variables and this is for 3 variables. If both inputs are 0, then only it is a 0. In remaining all case it is a 1. Here also same. If both inputs are 0, then the output is a 0. In the remaining all case it is a 1. How? So this is what exactly we need to say. It is a OR gate. OR gate. So here logic gate we have here. The logic gates are, that is are. So if it is two input, f is equal to a plus b, f is equal to a plus b plus c, f is equal to a plus b plus c plus d. So this is called as the logical diagram for your 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable. This is your OR gate. Next we will see last one, that is AND gate. So come back with the AND gate. AND gate, that is third one for basic gate. AND gate, it is also same. Gate having a one or more inputs, but it produces only one output signal. That is nothing but if input is high, then output is high. The same here also. AND gate having a truth table like this. If it is a 0, if it is a 0, if it is a 0, then 0. If it is 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1, 1. For two variables. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 into 0 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, 0 into 1 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ x y z f is equal to x y z ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0, that is 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So this is called as a 3 variable input. It is 2 variable input. This is for AND gate, truth table. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? AND gate ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ 3 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಹೈ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 2 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 3 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್. ಗೇಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು AND gate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So this is called as your AND gate. For 2 input, f is equal to AB, f is equal to ABC, f is equal to ABC, like this. This is what exactly the basic gate is going to differentiate you. Next, we will go for a derived gate. We will start with the derived gate now. Okay, then come back with the derived gate. Derived gate, first one you will go for XNOR gate. NOR gate, NOR, NOR gate only. What exactly the NOR gate is saying, that which is having a one or more input signal which produce only one output signal is called as a NOR gate. And if all inputs are 0, 0 means low, then output is always high. That is called as NOR gate. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. All inputs are low andre 0, then output should be, it is signal is high, that is 1 anta ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? That is called NOR gate ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Truth table for 2 input signal is x y, f is equal to x plus y complement ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. r ಗೆ ನಾವು x plus y ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ವಿ. next NOR gate ಗೆ x plus y NOR gate ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 0 0 into 1 1 into 1 0 plus 0, that is if both inputs are low, then output is high. If low high low, high low low, high high, and as well as a low over here. This is what exactly we need to say, it is a XNOR gate for truth table. Next, this is for 3 input variables x, y, z. Then if 3 input, that is 1, in remaining all case it is always a 0. That is called as for 3 variable truth table. And this can be diagrammed as, suppose think that if you write as a x nor y ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ equation ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ x nor y ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು xy ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. x ಮತ್ತೆ y ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ if it is in the case, ಸಾರಿ x plus y ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ x plus y then ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ x nor y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we should go for nor complement that is x over here that is x y ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus y ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ x plus y ಅಂತ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು x nor gate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಈ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ 0 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ತಾನೆ ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು 0 ಅಂತ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ 4 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಸೊ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೋ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ okay then now we'll see the AND gate the AND gate is nothing but not AND gate are inverted AND gate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ it is also same it will take one or more inputs which produce only one output and also all inputs are high ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಎಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲೋ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲೋ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು x y f x into y ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಹೈ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಹೈ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಇನ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೈ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x y 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಹೈ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಲೋ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೈ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ NAND gate ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ NAND gate ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಗೇಟ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ NAND x AND gate and this is not NAND gate this is also NAND gate this is also NAND gate so this is all about your basic gates OR gate AND gate NOR gate and derived gate we have discussed as a NOR gate and AND gate and next class we will discuss that XOR gate exclusive OR gate exclusive NOR gate over here okay then thank you